This is the TNT store, but we're making sure that we're 6 feet apart. Therefore, we've got a long lineup outside the door. For our audience who's not in Canada, the situation in Vancouver is not as dire as Italy or New York. But the government is still recommending that everyone stay home if at all possible and practice social distancing when we have to go out. We're here because we need to get ingredients for a special cod dish that Janey wants to show you this week. Yummy food awaits. Now let's get on with it.
What shall I make tonight? Hey, I got some black cod from TNT. Yes, let's make black cod. And I also got some coconut water from TNT and coconut water with rice, ginger, garlic, and the leeks with black cod. Sounds good. Welcome back to Chasing the Sun. I'm Janey. As you know, Vancouver has been recommended to practice social distancing due to COVID-19, and a lot of restaurants are closed. For the past few weeks, I've been sharing with you some cool recipes with you, and this week I want to share with you a very simple recipe that I came up with. It's black cod with zucchini and coconut rice. What I have here is black cod fillet. So after you buy it, come back and prepare it. Basically wash it, descale it, and then let it drain. And zucchini, cut it into slices like this. And this is the Tokyo negi. It's a mix between onions, green onions, and leeks. There's ginger, there's chili red peppers. Only if you like to eat spice, then add this. Garlic. I have here is oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and sweetened soy sauce, sugar and water. This is all the sauce here is to make the sauce later. So let's prepare the cod. So after I drain it, now I wanted to actually dry it a bit more by laying it on the paper towel and kind of like go like this to get all the water out from the cod. I never made this before, so it's my first time too. Something that I just came up with this recipe. So hopefully you guys come up with something and share with us. Okay, now it's all done. What I will do is I will sprinkle some salt and pepper onto it. And then what I will do now is that I have this plate ready with cornstarch. So I would just put the black cod on it and just, to fry it later. It's looking pretty good. So now I'm going to mix in the sauce. Just put all the soy sauce, all the sauce that I had earlier. The light soy sauce, oyster sauce. I want to mix this beforehand is because so it's easier while I cook. I don't have to stop it. So a bit of sugar. So I don't want to add too much in case it's way too sweet. So I can add it on later when I cook. If it's not enough, I can always add more. After all the prep work, now I will cook the zucchini first. Basically, just pan fry the zucchini until it's softened. Add a little bit of salt and sugar to it. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty easy. Next, I will pan fry the cod. So here I heat up the pan and added some cooking oil. coconut rice is with this organic coconut water. Instead of using water to put in the rice cooker, I put coconut water instead. Smells so good. Next, I will prepare the sauce with the ingredients I have prepared earlier. The way I like to make it is before I add the oil, I like to put the garnish, the garlic and the cocoa negi in there first, just to get the water out of these ingredients first, and then I'll add the oil later. Now I'll add some chili.
This looks amazing. Cod. I can see garlic, some onions, chili. I can't wait. Cheers to another great meal at home.
Thanks.
You know, this social isolation thing isn't that bad. We get some yummy food. So how is it?
Oh my god, it's so good. It's my first time making it, and I must say, it turned out pretty good. I am impressed with myself. How's it?
I really like the cod. I like how you did the searing, crispy on the outside, soft and fatty on the inside, just the way that cod should be. Super yummy. And I especially like the sauce. It's got a bit of an Asian flavor to it because of the spice and the soy sauce. Very nice fusion actually. This is probably a Western dish. And the coconut rice. Yeah.
I really like the coconut rice. It added like the fragrance to the rice, and when you put it into your mouth, it's actually, how do you say it? It gives a very pleasing sensation to your mouth when you eat the rice because of the coconut smell.
So this is a pretty simple recipe that you guys can all do at home. So I hope our video has inspired you to try and venture new ideas and check it out. If you do, leave some comments down below. Tell us what you did and share with us the video and the recipe.
Yes, we would love to hear from you of what you think, or if you do follow this recipe, share with us how it turned out. We really want to know.
That was a satisfying meal. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoyed it.
So we hope this video inspired you to be making food on your own as you're stuck at home anyways. I know you can't go out to restaurants or to travel to find some good food. Like, you know, that's the saddest part for me since we love traveling and food so much. But maybe you can make some on your own like we did, and if you do, post up in the comments and share with us. So until next week, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified of our upcoming food and travel adventures. Although we're not traveling, we're staying at home, but you'll still get these cool recipes. And do your part to flatten the curve, wash your hands, and stay at home because it's not that bad. So until next week, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you're subscribed or funny. So until next week, make sure you
So until next week, make sure you smash smash that like button. Okay.
smash it.
Okay.